Just a short flight away lies the diverse pleasures and gorgeous coastlines of the Canaries. Located in a fantastic area, this beach is a white, sanded paradise, where you and your loved one can get away from it all. With a variety of water sports to choose from, you'll never want to leave the ocean. But sometimes a day on the sands just isn't enough. A banana boat is sure to satisfy anyone's need for speed, or spend a tranquil afternoon on the waters on a pedalo. For adventure seekers, we recommend some of the local scuba diving. There's nothing else quite like it on the planet. You'll want to catch the nearby attractions. These options and activities make this beach a great choice for the next family holiday. Is this beach calling your name? Then it's time to start packing.